Everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be taking a look at two different qualities of the same magazine, the same surplus magazine that's out there and is available. Of course, once again, this one's going to be from Arms of America. This one's going to be from Mocus Raifus. You've seen me do plenty of unboxings in the past of both of these companies. Both of them typically offer products that are very close to the descriptions that they put out there on their website. So to start this off, to kind of explain things, I made sure to put some text up here in the top left. So Mokas had the Yugo M70 bolt hold open mags for well, actually they were in very good condition is what they rated them, and they had them for $13.19 a piece. Conversely, Arms of America had very good to excellent condition, same mag Yugo, last round bolt hold open for $14.99 a piece. Now additionally, I did get another one of those laminate buttstocks, the Polish laminate buttstocks in here, with the trunnion and the screws for $24.95. That was part of that special. So I paid a little bit more for the Arms of America one than I did for the Mocus Raifus. But the reason for doing these two unboxings at the same time is so that you guys have an idea of what you can expect in terms of quality and see how close these guys are. Once again, these were rated in very good condition. These were rated in very good to excellent condition. So, without further ado, I think we're going to dive off into the Mocus ones first and see what we can expect in terms of quality. I am very curious. I've always had good experiences with them in the past for the most part. Let's see if we can get these out of here. And I have no idea what to expect. Judging by the pictures, some of these had some rust, had some other things going on. You just never know. Once again, I always throw this disclaimer out there: your mileage may vary, and it typically does. Some people will sometimes end up with better stuff than I do. So, as always, they just always throw in a couple of their sticker swag. Always a nice thing to have throw in the toolbox. But let's check out these mags and see what they look like. I'm very curious. See what's going on here. You guys think I'm nuts. Yeah, I'm trying to preserve my packaging here just a little bit, just because I reuse stuff like this. Let's take a look at these first two mags. So these were rated in very good condition. You guys can see there's just a ever slight amount of surface rust. Quite oily. You can of course see that last round bolt hold open mag there. But they look good. Good strong springs. I missed the opportunity to get some of their BFPU, the Battlefield Pickup Mags, just because well, let's just be honest, I procrastinated, so I didn't get them. Because I was curious to see what kind of condition those would have been in. But these very good condition Yugo mags, I think are in very good condition. And just once again, just a few small little areas, very, very minor areas of rust. Good strong springs. Let's check out another one. If I can get it open. Well, forget it. We're just going to tear that one up. It kind of tore on the way in. Oh well. Check these out. Almost no rust, if any. Actually still have quite amount of cosmoline on them. So these are quite nice. No dents. No dings to really speak of. Oh, there's, I say that, small little ding right there. Probably from shipping. These are actually, they said they're grade 2 according to their label. Wow, they've had these things since 2022. No wonder they put them on sale. It's kind of amazing, if I bought these back in 2022, they'd probably been a lot cheaper. But I'm not going to go through all of these. I mean, I have no reason to believe that the last magazine or last 2 mags is really any condition different from the first 3. So I'm going to leave one of these out, sit on top. We're going to move this to the side, get this out of the way to pave the way for what we got from Arms of America. I would expect that oh, I didn't even see that. A little bit of a, well, you guys can see it, a little bit of a rust patina sort of along that rib, but you know, it's not a deal killer. It's actually going to go great with my Yugos. So anyway, like I said, curious to see what these Arms of America ones look like. I would expect that they'd be just as nice, if not nicer. Let's get that invoice out of the way. And let's see what these look like. I am going to set my buttstock aside because that's going to be the last thing to look at, because this is basically a comparison to look at these mags. Wow, that's messy. That's going to be fun. Maybe I should grab that paper back. Or at least grab the foam back to lay these mags on. Woo, those are caked. Oh, that's funny. Look at the Cosmoline caked on that one. Woo. But little Cosmoline never hurt anybody. It certainly does not hurt the mags. Oh, I love seeing that. Very sticky. And will choke you up. Of course, you can see it there on that one. There's a whole bunch of Cosmoline. Looks like some kind of threads from something. Oh, I have no clue. But they look great. I mean, they're just really caked in Cosmoline. Of course, once again, your last round bolt hold open. Oh, this is just too funny. I mean, Cosmolined out. You see the shiny? That's the Cosmoline. Yeah, I'd say those are in very good to excellent condition. It is interesting, though. They got some weird electro penciling going on there. Actually, let's see if we can get this to focus. Oh, what's up with that? Maybe the owners. I don't know. Wow. Those are incredibly sticky. Man. So, I mean, honestly, very good to excellent. Yes, I would rate these very good to excellent, and I would rate these very good from Mokas Raifus. Once again, got these a little bit cheaper by the time it was all said and done, but if you want something that's practically brand new but just still caked in Cosmoline, yeah, go for the excellent. I'm not knocking either company. It's just, you know, whatever you prefer, but I mean, that gives you a good comparison right there. They look pretty much the exact same condition. This one may have a tiny little a few tiny little spots of rust. If you can find them, they're going to be hard to find, like along this rib here. But, you know, for a few dollars difference, if you can live with it, hey, so be it. But if you want something that's in absolutely almost like new condition, pretty much like new condition, you know, go for the Cosmolined out ones. So anyway, maybe that'll help you guys make some decisions as far as what you're looking for. Let's check out this stock. Once again, of course, I bought 2 of these. This one happened to come with this shipment of mags from Arms of America. This is that used Polish AKM stock. Once again, they had the Black Friday special where these were $24.95. You got the free rear trunnion along with the screws. This one is actually still attached. And I mean, it's nothing to write home about, but you know, for a used stock, yeah, Just a tiny little rust on this sling swivel here. Nothing terrible. Of course, you got your trap door, operational, with of course some wear on that butt plate, which I'm trying to get it to focus. I'm not doing so well, but you know, it looks good. Would certainly work for any kind of surplus parts kit or whatever you want to put it on. So yeah, once again on these trains, just have to press those rivets out. Of course, that's typical. That's going to happen. Anything surplus like this. But like I said before, these are $29.90. I think they're $29.95 now. You have to pay an extra $15 to get the rear trunnion and to get the screws, which I think is actually worth it. That's a pretty decent deal, to be honest. And these are very close to the Romanian AKM trunnion. So if you've got a MD65, yeah, an MD65 kit, and let's say you want to change it and make it a more like a MD63, it's a good option for you right here if you're not worried about everything being Romanian. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you everyone for your likes, your shares, your comments. And I will try my best to do a much better job in the future of letting you guys know about deals like this. I know, like I said, it's a little crazy around the holidays, trying to wrangle the family and have the time to do videos, and it's crazy, absolutely crazy. But I'll try to do a better job in the future. But if you're interested in very good from Mocus Raifus or very good to excellent from Arms of America, here's your options. Of course, if they're out of stock, make sure you sign up for in-stock notifications. That way you guys get informed when they get stuff like this back in. It has worked very well for me through Mocus Raifus in the past. That's how I've got my flatback mags. But you're not going to get notified unless you sign up. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.